in the short lecture series of heat, in the part 1 we talked about the amount of energy required to change the temperature of a material, right? And that was, we gave Q is equal to mc delta T, right? But sometimes we need also the amount of energy which will change the phase of a material. So in this slide we'll talk about phase change. So we will talk about phase change. Okay, all right. Okay, so what does that mean? So the amount of energy per unit mass that must be transferred as heat to change completely phase of a sample is called heat of transformation or latent heat, and symbol is L. So and the unit, the SI unit of L, the latent heat is energy, amount of energy as heat is joule, and per unit mass per kilogram. All right, and the amount of energy required, so Q per unit mass will be given as mass times L, right? So this is one formula we will need there. So amount of energy, total amount of energy required, or total thermal energy, or total heat required, or transfer of heat required, is mass times the latent heat. Now there are two phase change. One, you can change the phase from solid phase, for example ice, to liquid phase, like water, right? So so heat required, again per unit mass, to change solid phase to liquid phase is called latent heat of fusion, right? And that symbol is F. F is for fusion. Unit is same, it's same thing, joule per kilogram, and here the Q will be same as earlier, so ml, but Q will be mass ml, and of course later F, right? Same thing when phase change is from liquid phase to gaseous phase, then that will be a symbol that is called latent heat of vaporization, and that Q there will be given as mass times L, V for vaporization, right? So for example, here is a example here, the heat required to change 1 kilogram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 kilogram of liquid water at 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 334 kilojoule of heat. And this one, we will say this is nothing but L, because we are going from solid, ice is solid to liquid, so solid to liquid, so I will say this is LF is 3.34 10 to the 5 joule, and of course this is for ice to liquid water, or 334 kilojoule. All right, great.